Hello and welcome to third term Arduino projects. I have here today Nate, say hi.
Hi.
And Bryan.
Hi.
And these two individuals have created this LED cube as part of their third term project. And can you guys, we'll just kind of keep the camera on it so you can watch it. And if you guys can just kind of voice over how it works and how you made it and everything.
Well, first we started off by making a jig for all the LEDs. We laid them out, had them evenly spaced out.
The jig was a 4x4. Every inch of the actual jig was on a 1/4 inch plywood. What we did was we made like a grid square, and every inch on the jig is actually made out the LEDs layout here that we have.
And then built each layer individually, soldered all them together, soldered that into the board.
Okay, so you have like a perforated circuit board here?
Yes.
Board.
Okay.
We connected all of them by using that board. And plus, as you can see, the cube is actually mounted on top of that board then.
Right.
And underneath, there's wires going to each one of these pegs to here.
Okay.
Each of these resistors and through to the Arduino. There you go.
Ah, okay, so you guys did all that wiring then?
Yeah.
All right.
This is all arbitrary, but...
Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. Can you tell me about the supporting hardware, all this stuff in here?
Well, all of this, like I said, doesn't even have to do with that. That was from what we were trying to do before, which was build a microcontroller for it.
Well, we bought a kit and we just retrofitted the kit to what our need was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
So, we have it going through the Arduino. It's kind of like an Arduino hack, you could call it, because we just have it going right into the pins where it would have gone with the microcontroller.
Okay, so you just basically hired a brain instead of building your own?
Pretty much.
Okay, so this is basically what controls which lights go on,
Yep.
Yes.
how long they stay on. So
Yep.
does this run some sort of program, or can you
yes.
change this? Can you make the pattern different, or are you stuck with what's programmed as
No,
part of
it's
it?
completely programmed in binary, and as long as you take the time out, you can really make some cool designs with it. It does take a lot, though. It's a lot of ones and zeros, because every time one of these lights comes on, that's one line of binary.
Okay, so it's got a lot of data in it then,
Yeah, a
right?
lot of data.
So is this just random, or does it repeat a pattern? Or
It repeats a pattern.
Does it?
It's a set pattern as of right now.
It's pretty good. Looks pretty interesting, guys. I really like it. I'm going to turn the lights off and get a good view of it before we press the red button that ends recording. So actually the lights are off, so I guess it is about the best that we'll get out of it. But it does look good.
And the transistors and the resistors go to the ground layers, which
Okay, so
keeps it bright.
All right, so you're switching which LEDs are grounded rather than which ones get power, then,
Yeah,
basically.
I believe so, yes.
Yes, because each of the layers are actually grounded to this. They're all connected, as you see these wires here.
Okay.
And all the anodes, or if you can see on the bottom here, you see individual wires from the anodes.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Down in the transistor section down here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this would be the grounds here, and this is all the anodes being connected throughout the whole LED group, which are all then soldered together.
Straight down, yep.
If you were to start this from scratch again, what would you do differently, if anything?
Definitely wouldn't have gone with all the extra there.
Okay.
And would have thought it out to plan it out a little bit better to work with the Arduino just to fit it all in there.
Okay.
Other than that, it turned out pretty much like I had expected.
Excellent. Well, this has been third term EET, and again, we have Nate and Bryan here to help us talk about the LED cubes. I guess you can buy these kits online.
Yeah, actually.
To build them from scratch, and I think some manufacturers actually sell the whole kit or the whole unit already made, all ready to go. So,
too, yep.
but it's a lot more fun programming it yourself, I imagine.
Yeah,
So,
cheaper.
good job, guys. Well, this concludes their presentation. Thanks.